What a strange and exciting day in the life of this curious cat. It began with the exploration of a new arrival in its world, a small robot moving on wheels. I wonder what's going through its mind as it observes it with such intent gazes.
But that initial curiosity soon turned into pure joy with its favorite pastime. Nothing beats the thrill of chasing a ball of yarn. Look at that energy and enthusiasm as it grabs the string, like a skilled hunter on a challenging mission.
And after all that activity, a rest is surely needed. Here we find him completely relaxed, deep in slumber by the window, like a king contemplating his vast kingdom from above. What peace and tranquility in this scene. But rest doesn't last long when new adventures await. Now this furry friend is back to his usual antics, enjoying a variety of toys that stimulate his senses and unleash his pent-up energy. What a day full of discovery and fun in the life of this cat.